baby ruby-throated hummingbirds. And they're in their original nest. And Mom feeds them with a little pumping motion. They eat a lot of insects. So our formulation has a lot of protein in it. Okay, there you go, baby. That's a good baby. One is a lot bigger than the other one. This is their original nest. Really beautiful little thing. There you go, baby. Good job. They're each drinking about a half cc at a time, which is pretty good for somebody so little. And I'm going to dab them off a little bit and get anything excess. Oh, you're not hungry. Okay, let's see. You can see a little side view. You can see the little eye. Sometimes the larger one flaps her wings already. They just came in yesterday.